Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I came with today with another video. I'm going to show you today. I having Samsung brand dishwasher. This dishwasher having actually the complaint from the customer. Uh, End of the cycle, all the dishes is coming ash color. That's in dish color. It's like a salt. You can see here. I'm showing the what happened the dishes and glass and everything is getting dish color. You can see this is the problem with this dishwasher. Now I'm going to resolve this issue. I will show you how to do that and we will go to the next process. Now you can see here this one actually I'm going to fix here this glasses because the customer complaint is end of the cycle is getting ash color. It's like a salt is coming end of the cycle is not getting good cleaning. Because of that, now I'm going to check this one also. I'm loading here 3-in-1 tablet detergent. You can see here this one, this is brand wise Persil. Sorry, it is finished brand wise, not the Persil. Now I'm going to here fix. And also this is 3-in-1 actually, no need to fix here, no need to put rinse aid and salt. Already here salt container is here, rinse aid also here, no need to fix because this is 3-in-1 tablet. Because of that, now I'm giving power connection here. Also I'm selecting here, here it is 1 hour. I'm selecting half full up and down drawers, louvers it will work. Now I will start the machine and we will check after some time what's happened, how is getting clean, everything I will check after finish this option. Now you can see here it's 43 minutes already remaining. Now it's first drain. After that again water will come and will start. We will see end of the cycle what will happen. Now you can see here friends, it is only 4 minutes remaining. After that we can identify. We can check what was the problem exactly. Only 4 minutes. Now 1 hour what cycle is completed. Now it's already completed. It is end of the cycle now. It is already end. Now I can open the door here. We will open the door. You can see here friends. You can see here. It is already here. It is color is actually discolored. That means it is occurred the problem. You can see here. It's not coming anyone. It's not coming crystal colors. This is glass actually, you can see the color. It is already salt coming out. Now I got the point dear friends. You can see here everywhere it is having salt. It is too much salt actually. It is, that means now I got the point. This is the complaint actually with this dishwasher. Now we have to, here the door already open. So it is already dissolved with the water, sabun. Now I close again. Now you can see, dear friends, here also it's too much salt already came. That's mean we have to check here. This one you can see here. This cup salt container cup already got loose. That means actually it's not, we cannot, while we are turning also it's not getting tight. This is the problem, or salt coming out, salt water. That is the reason. Now you can see here this cup cap already, it's not actually, it's not damaged, but it's not tightening. You can see here it is loose. This is the problem with this dishwasher. No need to do any unnecessary spare parts replacing. Just we have to fix here o-ring, otherwise we have to replace another cap, salt container cap. After that our problem will get solved. You can see again here it's very loose. This is the complaint actually. Now we will close with another. Now what I'm going to do, dear friends, actually I'm going to replace this salt container cup. You can see here it is very loose. While turning also it's not getting tight because of that salt water coming always outside. Because of that now I'm going to replace this one. You can see this one we can tie properly. You can see here it is tied properly. Now we will check again another cycle. Here you can see, now here it's everywhere, here it's too much salt water came outside. Here also you can see here everywhere. Now we will check one cycle. After that we can identify whether leaking or not still. Now I already replaced the salt container cap. Now after that we can identify whether leaking or not again. We will start again another cycle. I will arrange again as same before. It's all the cup here. This one also glass we will arrange again and we will check. This is only the 1 hour only. We can half load, full load, up and down. We can select. I'm selecting again as same before. I will start again. Yes, dear, it is draining actually. Now we will check after end of the cycle what will happen to the dishes, glasses. We can check. Hi dear friends, this cycle also again another 1 hour already left. That's mean it is already finished. Now I can open the door here. We will check again. Now it should be okay. It's too much vapor coming. Now you can see dear. Here it is already crystal color came. You can see what is the difference. It is already crystal color here. Now the problem we already resolved. You can see here. Now no any issue. This is the complaint with this machine. Now I have to tell one thing. If it's happening like that, first you have to check the here. This salt container cup, if it is loose also it will happening, but now the problem is difference. Actually it's not tightening. Now it's very tight. You can see here. See, now it is already tight. Now you can see the glasses already is crystal color came. No any problem. You can see here. It's very shiny. That means we are telling is crystal color came. It should be like that actually, otherwise it's happening, it is abnormal. It's not the normal. Now I think you got the point. If it is actually what I'm going to say, if it is you are using 3-in-1 tablet with the dishwasher, no need to fix, no need to fill up salt container, because it is already coming soap and salt and rings 8, all three together. Because of that I'm telling, no need to again no need to fill salt. It should be actually, if it is empty also no problem, but it will show the symptom, it will show. This one, see, now we can close properly. Before it's not closing, that's why it's salt water coming out and dissolving with the water. At the same time all the dishes and getting the salt white color. Now we already resolved the problem. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.